Okay, first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Kevin. Again, my name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video was just to kind of show you how you could increase the value of your company and get some more exposure. There's three major factors that come into play with a website and Google, and that would be content, backlinks, and citation. Now, of course, understand every time you type something in here into Google in the search bar, this is considered keywords, and Google uses that to look for websites that best fit your search for the words that you typed in, search engine optimization, SEO, and understand that Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords. And then Google categorizes those websites based on that, and that is how you establish rank. Now, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So I see you, Cubs Plumbing, Knightdale. I see that you're in MapQuest, Nextdoor, Yelp. So I know you're spending some advertising here to be in this. So let me show you a little bit more about how you could maybe put that advertising money to better use. So first, obviously keywords pumped in plumber, Knightdale, North Carolina, type that in. Of course, these are ads, Google ads up on the top, and this is the map section, or also known as the map pack. Ranking in the map pack is based off of your Google business profile and citations. Citations are name, address, and phone number that mirror reflects your Google business profile. And of course, within your profile, you would cover service areas, and that is how you are found when somebody is plumber near me in Fuquay, plumber near me in Apex, in your Google business profile with enough citations, and the correct citations will rank you in the map area. Those are Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. You do already have some of those. Some of them you're paying for advertising in there, though. Underneath the map is where the organic rank starts to take place, and that has to deal with content and backlinks. Aside from Angie and Yelp being advertisements, or extensions or links like service area, you want a site directly related to you, to your business. You don't want to go through an extension or another link. So this Golden Rule Plumbing, his website is number 4. I pulled him up. I wanted to show you exactly what I can see. This is his website. I am so sorry for that. That's his website. This is some of the content that he has on the front page of his website. This is excellent. You want plenty of content, plenty of keywords. Google uses this as trustworthy endorsements. What I do also have is a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what's going on behind the scenes of the website. He has 1.6 thousand backlinks. Now, backlink is where one website links to another. It's an endorsement of your website from another, and Google uses that to build trust. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you definitely want a backlink that is relevant to you. For example, you want a strong domain rank and plenty of traffic. You don't necessarily want a backlink from a pizza shop taught from in your local neighborhood going back to you. It won't carry as much weight and as much strength behind it as another plumber referring to you would. Also, keywords. Now remember, every time you type something into the Google search up there, you're looking at or Google is looking for keywords and content within websites. He has 418 keywords, and that's generating him 135 views per month. So that's the exposure that he's getting. The keywords are relevant to your location and your area. And this is, for example, plumber Fuquay, Varina, North Carolina gets searched 200 times per month. This is volume per month for this particular keyword or phrase. Plumber Clayton, 400. Plumber Fuquay, Varina, 100 versus Varina, North Carolina. Plumbers, 200. Plumbing, 150. So when you tally all this up, you're creating hundreds of thousands of views from potential customers and clients, which could become sales. This is your exposure. Your content and your keywords are your exposure rate for the services that you're offering within your business. Now, you don't have a website, but it's completely obtainable. You can have all of these backlinks and more. You can have all of these keywords and more. And that's obviously going to generate plenty of traffic. Google is going to see you as an authority in your business and what you're trying to do, right along with your service area in the Google business profile. It'll get you into the maps, and it will generate a lot of exposure. Once these things come together, you'll quickly see the value of your business as the traffic increases. And I mean, that's the ultimate goal, right? So, with that being said, I hope you have a better understanding of a well-built website. And if there's anything that I can do for you, if you want to talk and go over some realistic goals, I'm more than happy to do anything you need me to do. Appreciate your time, and thank you.